season, but could have a part to play. Because with goals, so it was no surprise that they moved quickly to make the lone move of Liverpool if called upon. There's Alexander-Arnold linking up well with Henderson. Stop the clock! Press the pause button now!
Alexander-Arnold, I think he gets a slight touch there. Players puts Liverpool top of another assist from one of the full-backs. Outstanding again from Trent at the box. And there's that man Manè. But it does mean there has to be goals at Man.
But doesn't reach Van Dijk, but it does reach Salah.
Box. Well, the Bulls plays does well, actually comes out.
Threat here now, Johnny, left by Jimenez for Jota, and Doherty strike!
Too often they're getting in behind Matip and Trent Alexander-Arnold. And Johnny back into the game. Haven't looked too threatening in front of goal to our side. One of the players of the season, I think, in that position he's been for Wolves.
Dendoncker, Jota with a layoff to Raul Jimenez.
Across the box also. You just think they're rolling now.
Left by Salah, but Origi!
Behind that back three, we see Sadio Manè. Bit of a coming together, bit of a mix-up.
May not get that far though, because Jimenez trying to fly Wolves through, and he's found Diogo Jota.
His arrival equal. Might mean too much for him.
Clipped in by Robertson. Wijnaldum was
But trying to have a shot, whip it in. Sees Wijnaldum at the back post, almost like a little ding.
Trent Alexander-Arnold, and it's number two. They could, in the only match that they could directly affect. It isn't the
side there also. But what a cross. I said the similar position he was in the first half. This time with his head. Almost